Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock your SIM card with SIM pin on iPhone 16 Pro. To lock your SIM card with SIM pin, go to Settings, then go to Mobile Service, and then if you have multiple SIMs, then you will see a few settings. I'm gonna change these settings here on SIM pin.
I didn't get that. Did you try again?
And now let's enable SIM pin, and to enable it you need to enter the pin that was previously on your SIM.
I'm not sure I understand.
And now it's on. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.